Alice in Wonderland telling me.
Wait, where's the Alice in Wonderland baby?
And my belly.
And what is it doing?
It's killing me.
It's killing you?
Why? What's wrong with your tummy?
Because it hurts.
It hurts? Your tummy hurts? Why does your tummy hurt?
Because the baby hurts.
The Alice in Wonderland baby hurts? Is it killing you?
Oh, show me. Show me where it is again.
What's it doing?
It's killing me.
Where did you hear that? Where did you learn that it's killing me from?
Sophia, who else has a baby?
Mommy,
What's the baby doing to mommy?
telling me.
Yeah. Is that what mommy says a lot?
Where's mommy's baby? That's right. And what is its name?
My honey.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you blow me a kiss? See you later, alligator.
At the wire for the tire.